Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a header row in Google Sheets. It is actually super simple, so you can either go to conditional formatting. Actually, the easiest way is to just grab one of these like lines, drag it down, so that whenever you scroll down to wherever you like place this, it will still be at the top. So for instance, for this one, you'll always see like the dates and the like titles of each cell. Also works for the left side. So again, if you like moved it to the left or down here, you'll always see these. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!